Veronica and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is a part of my minimalist series, and in today's video I'll be giving you 7 tips on how to build a capsule wardrobe, minimizing the quantity of clothing items but maximizing the diversity of choices, items being used, and the joy that these clothes will bring to you daily. Because let's face it, ladies, nothing feels better than getting out of the house and knowing that you look like $1,000,000. Without further ado, let's get into it. Before you dive into building your capsule wardrobe, think of the 4 points that I'll be mentioning just in a second, and with that in mind, start building your wardrobe. Think of how do you like to dress? What is your inner style? Are you all about classy heels, or are you a boho kind of girl? What kind of clothes do you tend to reach out for the most? When building your capsule, only select clothes that will answer your inner style and will feel like a second skin to you. What kind of lifestyle do you have? Are you at the office all day, or you're running in and out, running errands all day long? Or perhaps you are working from home and don't get out that much anyways. Or maybe there's a combination of everything. So select clothes that would fit your lifestyle instead of trying to fit your lifestyle into your clothes. What kind of fabric do you prefer? I used to never pay attention to fabrics until recently, when I realized that I feel so much more comfortable in natural fabrics such as cotton, linen, or wool. I would occasionally go for eco-friendly lyocell or the semi-natural, semi-synthetic viscose, but I do try to stay away from things like acrylic or rayon. Of course, everyone is different and everyone's preference is different, but my general rule is the closer it is to skin, the more natural it should be. How long are the seasons based on your geographical location? This information will help you to determine how many clothing pieces and what type of clothing you actually need throughout the year. With all of that information in mind, start building your capsule wardrobe. Begin with all year basics. These are things that you'll be wearing throughout the entire year, and they can be dressed up or down depending on the outside weather. So let me show the all year basics from my capsule wardrobe. So we start with camis. I got 3 of them: black, gray, and white. Very comfortable to wear under sweaters or long sleeves, and very nice for layering too. So I got the gray t-shirt, white t-shirt with a pattern, and another gray t-shirt with a pattern. Then 2 more t-shirts, very simple gray and a simple gray with a bit longer sleeves. Now we go to the long sleeves. I got 4 of them. The simple striped one, plain white, and 2 gray ones. Let me show you. With a boat neck and like a cutout neck. Okay. So going further into the capsule, I have 4 shirts, and the 5th one I'm actually wearing, the blush pink. But I also have simple white with a black pattern, denim shirt, and a striped shirt. Now for pants, I got black dress pants, mom jeans, 2 pairs of skinny jeans, kind of lighter washed color and a darker color, black skinny jeans, kind of green army color skinny jeans, and simple black tights. The last item in my capsule closet, plain jeans with a busted knee. So once you got your basics figured out, start dressing up your wardrobe for each season, keeping in mind the season's length based on your geographical location. Choose a color palette for each of the seasons to make it easy to mix and match your clothes throughout that season. Or do what I do and select neutral clothes throughout the entire year, so it makes it super easy to mix and match your clothes and maximize the use of each clothing item. No matter what color palette choices you might have though, I do recommend going with neutral color shoes, purses, and coats, unless of course you got a monochromatic wardrobe and you want to add a pop of color. Same goes to accessories. If you have a monotone wardrobe, you can use them as bold statement pieces, or if you want to be on a safer side, choose gold and silver minimal jewelry and neutral toned down colors for your other accessories. Alright, this concludes my video. This guy had just woken up from his nap. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next one. Yeah? Bye-bye! Say bye-bye. Thank you. You're not gonna give it back. Yeah, thank you, Lashika. Thank you. Oh, thank you so much. Yeah, good job. You did it. Yeah. Oh, cuckoo.